everyone, it's La Rosa. So I was in the middle of unboxing this gen, making a review, and I realized I couldn't use this Scepter, what do you call it? Scepter Smart Can Control. Scepter Smart Control gas can. And guess what? In case you're stuck like me in the middle of something before you realize, let's figure it out together. So this is 5 gallon, that's 18.8 liters gallon. Gallon size, 18.8 liter size. You feel me? I'm in the middle of video, we have no light, no electricity for days, and then finally found gas at the gas station. There is gas now, so I decided to hey, let's get this gen. Check out the review of this gen, how we're setting it up. Okay, so let's get straight to the video. This came in like this, so I pulled it. This covers it, which I think is really nice. So if you're like me, who removed it and was doing this the whole time, and was doing this, is not working, and was doing this, is not working, this is what we're gonna do. I want to show you guys that it's working, so let me remove this. You put it on once. When it goes down, don't try to force it up, just angle it and bring it out. When you pull the lever, this activates you being able to push. If not, you can never push. You have to push this down. You can never push the green part down. And I'm sure it's because of kids. It's kids proof or something. So when you put the lever down, you push. So it's coming out now. You can see. If you do this, it's not going to come. Push all you want, it's not going to come out. So depress this to activate it being easy to push, and you see, squeeze it down like so. Well, now you know. Now you know if you just acted like me. Angle it out and bring it out. Stay tuned. Make sure you check out the review of this generator setup and all that stuff. Bye.